In this video we will learn how we can easily add a page to our Magento website. Here you can see, for adding a page, go to dashboard, click on content. Here you can see on clicking content some sections are visible. Click on pages. After clicking pages you can see the section is visible where all the pages will be visible. Here you can see the section is visible for pages. If you want to search a page you can search it from here. Here are the actions. Let's say you want to delete multiple pages. You can select this option, multiple checkboxes, and just click on delete. If you want to disable a page or enable it, you can easily enable it, and if you want to edit any page you can easily edit it. Here you can see the sections according to ID. These are our pages. Here you can see ID, title, as well as URL key. URL key is actually the link. Here you can see you can also change the layout. Let's say for a particular page you only want a single column, you can easily add it, or if you want two columns with right bar you can easily add it with the layout section, which we will see later. Here you can see you can also change the store view from here. It is enabled for all store views, so you don't need to change settings again and again. Status it is enabled when it was created, modified, and action. Under action, let's say you want to edit any page, just go to select, click on edit, as well as if you want to view a page, just have to click on view here. So now we will see how we can add a new page. Here you can see click on add new page. Here you can see a section is visible to add a new page. Enable page, yes, page title. So let's add a team page. So I'll type team here. Here you can see I have typed team. Now under content, you can add the content heading also, like my team, our freelancers or our employees. You can easily add it. Here you can add the content. Under the content section, here you can see the formatting options are visible. If you want to add an image, you can easily add it. If you want to change the font size, you can change it from here. If you want to bold the text, you can easily go for it, and other options are also available. Like if you want to export it from Word document, you can easily do it with these settings. Going below, if you want to set the SEO, which is quite important, just click on it. Here you can set a URL key. Let's say I'll type about team, you can easily add it. Meta title, you can add it from here. For example, meta title you can add like about our team, about my website, or my team, website team, you can easily add it. Meta keywords, you can easily add meta keywords here, like your website name as well as your team. Description, you can add description for the page. Here you can see page in website. Here you can change the store view. Right now we will go for all store views right now because we are focusing on default store. So in future if you are adding a new store, so we don't need to change the settings again and again. So I'll go for all store views. Here is the design. Layout, if you want to change the layout of the page, you can easily select from here. Let's say I want two columns with right bar, I'll select it. Layout update XML, if you want to custom code it, you can easily custom code it for XML values. Here is the custom design update. Here let's say if you want this design for a particular days, here from here you can select the from date, and from here you can select the to date. You can also change the theme. Right now we are on the Magento Luma theme, which we installed with sample data. If you want to change it, you can easily change it for to blank. If you want to add a new column, you can easily add, but that would be available for custom design update. Let's say from March 2 to March 7, you want your section to visible as, the page should be visible as one column, so you can add it. After doing the changes, here you can see you need to click on save page. So in this video we learned how we can set up pages. We also learned that how we can check all the pages of a website and how we can straight away edit it or delete it using the options. Thank you for watching.